Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another lecture of Laravel services web application. In this lecture I will explain you how I will add this add inline edit option in my services table and other features which I explore of Laravel livewire power grid package. For example, here is the name of body massage by uh, one. I make it one. So as I change the value, here is the value is updated and slug is also updated, and we can also make it hide columns like provider, slug, category, subcategory, and etc. As same, I also can change the position. For example, I want to set the position 10. For that, it's update its position and pop up the message the service has been updated. Same as I also add the delete option and also update the status as well. For example, if its status is active and you want to change the status, then what it will can do, it will do change the status. Here is the confirmation message and you can see the status is changed to inactive. Same as I change the status approved. By doing this is the approved, and here I also can delete this one table and it can delete it and removing from here, but it actually not deleted, it deleted soft because we are using soft delete in our models. I will show you here. I'm going to, first of all, I have to refresh my table to update the value. Here it is the deleted services. When we delete the service, what it do, it not remove the record from the our SQL table, it's update the deleted at by current time, and in our query we will search the option like this where deleted add null. What it will do, it will not show us the deleted services. In future, in case when we need to show want to retrieve the data, we can again make it deleted at null, it automatically show again. This is due because of that our lots of orders or transactions and booking on particular service record also be deleted if we remove them from the SQL. Because of that, these has relationship of foreign key we use in our others like booking table, like booking items, transactions, etc. What it will do when we remove the data from the SQL table, it removes all records from other tables uh, uh, of that ID also. So that's why I am using soft delete in this my application. To use soft delete skill, what we will need to do here is to we are use soft delete eloquent database feature enable, and here I will show you my code again, delete code. In this I am not updating the deleted value, I am actually deleting. Here is I am deleting. What it will do when we enable our soft delete eloquent feature, it automatically updates the delete value, not delete the record. So this is the difference between soft delete and permanently delete. What we Now I will explain you how I will achieve other functionalities like added the value of price, title, featured value, position, etc, etc. So let's view the code. In my code, first of all I have to add in my columns array function, not add columns powered columns. In my columns array function, what I will do here is to whichever column I want to add it, I change the values of that column. Like suppose I want to change the title or edit the title inline, so I make the syntax change for that to add rather than make. So add, give the column title and field name as well, and add it on click. Remaining code is the same which we already learned in our last lecture. So same code I will use my all columns which I want to update on click, like price, like discount, like featured, and like position. So this is the way how to we can inline add it in our services table. And I also write a one function which known as on update editable table, where I'm passing id which may be string type or int, field name should be string, and the value should also be string. Here is the field name should be the name of the your table column. Like suppose here our price table column name should be like price, so it should also be here field name be price, discount, etc, etc. So and in this my function, what I will do here is I put a condition: if the field name is equal to title, then the title value should be the value which I update. And next what I will do, I also update the value of slug as well, because of that our title or slug interchange or interconnected with each other. So here is I also update the slug as what I do, if the in else condition, if the field name is not title, then it's only update the field value, not the slug. So this is the my code of on update editable table which I was modify and save it. And I am also using livewire-alert. By for to use this you have to declare it here, and also check you have to import it here is as well. So this is the code I will change and update. In future I will try to add some more features in my this table, and if when I added these features, I will also show you the code how I manage or how I do it. So don't worry, this is the 80 to 90% our table is ready according to our requirement and usage. But I need some more changing in this table as I explore the livewire power grid. functionalities and features. I will update my table, and also I will show you and tell you how this will be changed and how this will be managed. So this is the today lecture. In my edit I will provide, I also create a route for edit function. I will show you which I was call first of all I have to show you my route edit function. Here is the my route edit function. To create by creating a edit service component and declare a route. When I click on my edit function, it will redirect me to the edit page. How I would manage, or how I do this, or how I can manage this in my code. So I show you here. Where is my services table? In my services table, in my button, first of all I have to show you my button. Here is my edit button. This is my edit button. Here is my edit function. By default it give us alert to edit, but which I was commented and redirect the route admin edit service and pass 0 id. So this is the way how I manage my edit page and redirect the link to edit page. Because of that I'm not using model here. Because of that we have to edit lot of data like images, gallery images, name, slugs, etc. So our model or model functionality, we have to create lots of methods to handle that. By creating a separate page or component, make more convenience and easy able to manage the edit the page which I was added the service adding the service. I was managed by added services and added service. Because of that I want to use here oop method. Because of that our vendor or provider also need to edit it services or service. For that I am using that method in as well. So that's why I will update or edit my service using this added service class. So which I will update or make edit in my next lecture. So don't worry, when I will update great next lecture we will view the code, and I will show you how I will do it and how it will work properly. So this is the end of today's lecture, and this is what I will do. And I think I have to tell you how the services table can be inline edit using the power grid package. And you also know how to implement and how do we use these powers of power grid livewire package in our application. So this is the end of today's lecture. I am hopeful that you will like my this effort and like my channel video and subscribe my channel, and also share my video with your colleagues, your groups, your classmates. Till that, Allah Hafiz. See you in next lecture.